Log in at ICTContact web portal. Select the main menu, Contact Center. Select the submenu, Campaign Management, and click on it. Click on the Add New button on the top right side. Page open. Select the agent campaign and click on it. Page will open. Enter the required information in the desired fields. Name. Enter the campaign name. Dialing mode. ICTContact support the following different dialing modes: inbound dialing, preview dialing, manual dialing. Contact group. Select contact group for campaign. So ICTContact will dial the numbers for selected contact group only. Enter the caller ID. Caller ID is the number that appears when a call is received by the recipient. Select the dialogue script. Admin and user can create dialogue script using interaction or custom token that will be replaced with recipient information and agent panel. Max concurrent channels. Max concurrent channels in ICTContact refer to the maximum number of simultaneous calls that can be made. Max retries. Max retries in ICTContact refers to the maximum number of attempts the system will make to contact a specific predefined contact when the initial call does not connect or is not answered.